Calendar questions look tricky, but once you know the trick, they are just super easy. For example, if 1st October 2004 was a Friday, can you guess the day on 1st January 2004? Well, I have got some calendar cheat codes for you. Once you learn this, you'll never have to count days manually. Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the one of the most important topic, that is calendar problems, which is always mostly asked in your written exam, in aptitude exams. So let's see how to solve those problems easily in a simple way with some tricks and tips. So before going to the problem, these are some of the cheat codes which you need to know to solve that kind of problems. So first, 1 week is equals to 7 days. We know that 1 year is equals to 52 weeks plus 1 odd day. What leap year? 52 weeks plus 2 odd days. Ordinary year. If they ask which is ordinary year, then you can write 28 Feb. Leap year, 29 Feb. Okay. These are some of the cheat codes for days. 0 for Sunday, 1 Monday, like that, up to 6, up to Saturday. These are the codes for the days. Codes for the months. From January to December, there are certain codes for each month. You need to remember these codes in order to crack such kind of problems. And for years, the cheat codes are this. From 1600 to 1699, 6. So see, you can keep, you can remember it like even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay. 1600 to 1699, 6. 1700 to 1799, 4. 1800 to 1899, 2. 1900 to 1999, 0. Again, 2, 4, 6. Again, even numbers. 2000 to 2099, 6. 2100 to 2199, 4. 2200 to 2299, 2. So, you need to remember these in order to crack such kind of problems. And you can get these kind of problems also, like how many odd days are there in 10 days. So, how to calculate that? Divide the given number with 7. Simply, the remainder will be your answer. See, 10 divided by 7. So, in 7 table, 10 is not there, but 7 is there. 7 is one time. So, by subtracting it, we will get 3. That is odd days. In 10 days, 3 odd days are there. Odd days means the number of days excluded and exact weeks are called odd days. How many odd days are there in 144 days? So similarly, divide it with 7. The remainder will be your answer. So in the questions, if they give like this, what is the day on 15th August 1947? Then you need to apply this formula and calculate the day. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because I post videos related to tech updates, job updates, internship updates, and free courses, and also I post videos related to placement guides. So please check it out and do subscribe to my channel. So let's see how to calculate it. So first, you need to write given date. So what is the given date? 15. Here I'm writing 15. Then plus x2. What is x2? Month code. So the month is August, right? Let's see the month code. So here is the month. This is August. Okay. What is the code? 2. So 15 plus 2. Next, the year code. What is the year? 1947. So see, it is ranging from 1900 to 1999. That is, the code is 0. So plus 0. Next, the last 2 digit of the given year. This is the year. What is the last 2 digit? 47. Next, x5. Divide the last 2 digits of the year with 4. What is the last 2 digit? 47, right? Divide it with 4. So in 4 table, so we'll get 44, which is 11 times. Okay. So 3. So you need to divide the last 2 digits with 4 and write the quotient here. Okay. 11 and divide it with 7. Then add this all and divide it with 7. So by adding this all, okay, so 75 by 7 in 7 table, 70 10 times. So rather than dividing like this, you need to divide like this, 70. Why? So in 7 table, 70 10 times and 5. 5 is the remainder. You need to consider the remainder. So based on the remainder, you can find out the day. So here the remainder is 5. And in the cheat code of the days, we can find Friday is for 5. Okay. So August 15, 1947 is Friday. So let's solve another problem. 1st Jan 2024. So firstly, what we need to do? First, the day. First the date 1. Next month code. What is the month code of January? The month code of January is 0. Next, what is the year code of this year? So it lies between 2000 to 2099. The year code is 6. Next, last 2 digits of the year, which is 24. Now, the quotient of last 2 digits. So you need to divide it with 4 in 4, which is 6 times. You need to consider the quotient, which is 6, and divide it with 7. Okay, now add this all. 6, 7 by 7. So now divide it. 37. So in 7 table, 37 not there, right? 35. 5 times 2 remainder. So remainder is 2. So based on the day code, 2 falls under Tuesday. Okay, must be Tuesday. But it is not. But it is not Tuesday. So this is one exception because 2024 is a leap year. So here is the calendar. Check it out. See, it is Monday. But we are getting Tuesday because it is a leap year. So before going to any problem like this, check if it is a leap year or not. For leap year, another conditions, and for normal years, it is another condition. So before going to the problem, please check it. So now let's see what is a leap year. So we consider a year as leap year if it is evenly divisible by 4. If it is divisible by 100, it should be divisible by 400. So if it is being divisible by 100, it should also be divisible by 400. Okay. For example, 2020 is divisible by 4. So it is a leap year. And 1900 is divisible by 100, but it is not divisible by 400. So it is not a leap year. It is a leap year, it is not a leap year. And 2000, it is divisible by 4, also divisible by 100, and also divisible by 400. So it is a leap year. So when this kind of situation occurs, so simply what you need to do is just minus 1 from the given number. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is the day code of 1? So 1 is the day code of Monday, right? That is 1st January 2024 is a Monday. You need to try your birthday date and post them in the comments. So this is the part 1 and part 2 is coming soon. So stay tuned for it. So that's full. Please like it and share with your friends. And that's all video. Till then, keep learning. Bye-bye.